Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do the first weekly setup for 2023 in my work planner. I'll be using these stickers from Let's Get Plan. Not sure what washi tape I'll be using, but I guess we can see what happens along the way. Okay, so my work planner is a DIY half letter disc bound planner in this Moterm cover. The cover is burgundy and I found it on Amazon. Last time I checked, they didn't have any more burgundy covers, but maybe they do now. The different colors come and go. So if you're interested in this particular color, it is worth checking. So I'm going to be doing the week of the 2nd through the 8th. And here we go. I'm going to be doing horizontal inserts. These inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. It's for the whole month. You get the monthly and you get the weeklies for each month. And you get them about a month in advance. And I may change that to getting them out earlier. But I also offer a full 2023 monthly calendar in case you need to do future planning and things like that. Okay, so these are the stickers from Let's Get Plan. This is Rustic Winter Florals. And then this one is Winter Florals. So I'm going to kind of combine those with this doll sticker. I'm not used to horizontal. We don't do this often, so kind of have to think about it a little bit. I am going to use this doll since she's upside down. Let's put her over here. Maybe I should have used her since her arm is going the other way. I guess I'll have to use her. Let's put her back. She's crooked. Let's try to straighten her up so that I won't have issues taking her off when I come back to get her another time. Let's do this one. Okay. And before I put her down, do I want to put anything in this corner? I do. Let's use one of these. I love these stickers. I like this rustic look. I love the oranges. It's like they look like dried oranges. I think that's really cool. Okay. So of course I have to cut this to get more use out of it. So I'm going to put that piece there. I might not use washi tape. Can you believe it? Let's see, I might have to put this. Nope, I don't want to cover up the day of the week, but I can do this. Okay. It's not quite straight. Ugh. But I can't fix it. Okay. And then let's use some of these. So let's cover up a little mistake here by making another one. All right, let's trim this off. Make sure I don't have anything on my scissors. It's gonna get in the way. All right, so there is that. Now let's see about her. She still needs something to kind of ground her. All right, she takes up considerably a lot of space. And I did want to kind of mix something from here in with this. So let's try that and see how it goes. Even though I'll probably use the bulk of this. Wow, these are hard to get off. The bulk of this will probably be used in my January setup. I am so behind. It's just that some days I just can't believe this. I don't feel like talking. So that's why I don't record. I don't know what that is. But that's exactly what happens. I just don't feel like talking. And I know a lot of people don't like the silent videos with, you know, time lapse and the music. And I still have not perfected the art of voiceovers. So what happens is I just don't plan, and that one needs to be alone because it's got a cute little bow on it. I guess I'll hang it right here. Yeah. So maybe, I don't know. I'm just not a talker. My speech seems choppy to me. Yeah. So do I want to put more florals? Let's just do a little bit more. Yeah, so doing voiceovers is really hard. And for some reason, I don't know what it is. It must be the software. When I do a voice, I have the exact same mic that I use here on my laptop for when I'm editing to do the voiceovers. But when I record the voiceover with that mic, it sounds different from this mic, and I don't know why. Any information on that would be helpful. Okay, so I use florals instead of washi tape. I still need room to write. I'm going to try and use my work planner more. When I do the flip through of my work planner spreads for 2022, you will see that I barely used it. Barely. So the idea is to get more use out of it. And maybe if I don't go so crazy with the decoration, I will be more willing to actually write in it. So let's use one of this sweet stickers. I need to make these a little bit smaller, a smaller version. Maybe I need some boxes. Let's see, do I have anything that would match this? Let's try one of these. I got this in here upside down. Here. I don't really have any decorative boxes to offset those. Let's use this one over here. Okay, let's use a little bit of washi. Let's just put a little bit up here. That whole thing with me and the washi tape really started back when I first started planning, and I was just buying washi tape, and I was barely using it. So I was like, there's got to be more that I can do with this washi tape. So I started coming up with as many ways as I could to use the washi tape. So I was doing the dashboards. I was using it as structure for my layouts. And yeah, it just kind of evolved from there that I use washi tape for everything. And now here we are. Okay, so that's a little bit of washi. I do want to angle this side too. Got to be matchy. The tip of this blade is missing. It's time to change it. All right, so that's it. I'm going to try not to go overboard and leave it there. That's my goal for the year. Try to keep it simple. All right, let's put this back in, see what we've got. So this is the first week, January 2023, the 2nd through the 8th. I like that. Kind of clashes with my coffee clip there, but it's fine. All right. And another thing, I think I'm going to stop putting this in the front, even though I like having my latest month in the front. It kind of makes for an imbalance. So I might have to come up with another way, because then I have to kind of put something under here to put them both on the same level. You see? So I don't know. I have my inserts from Isis Ella Jewels in the back, so maybe I can put those up here instead. All right, but anyway, that is the spread. I use stickers from Let's Get Planned, a couple of the boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. The inserts are also available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. A little bit of Simply Gilded washi tape, and the script sticker is also available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.